Hello students, welcome back to the digital classroom of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I'm your social science teacher. Today I'm going to take up lecture for class 7. Weather and climate. Weather and climate describe the world outside the window. Whether it's hot or cold, humid or dry, sunny or cloudy, whether it is short-term condition present in the movement that let people know what to wear today and whether or not to bring an umbrella. Climate describes the long-term conditions that let people know what clothes to keep in their wardrobe all year long and whether they need to own snowboards, flip-flops or both. Weather. Weather is the state of atmosphere at a specific time at any one place for a short period of time. The atmosphere of a place includes temperature, winds, humidity, atmospheric pressure and precipitation, etc. Weather represents these conditions of a small area for a short period of time, which can be few hours to a day. Weather can be cold in the morning, hot and humid during the day, and warm at night. Weather conditions are not permanent in nature, instead, they are always changing. We can describe weather as dynamic in nature. So, here you can understand the difference between the climate and weather. The major difference between climate and weather is temporary and climate is permanent. Weather is of short period of time and climate is long period of time. Weather covers a small area but climate covers a huge area. So if we have experienced rain in the morning, that doesn't mean that it will be raining throughout the day. Maybe in the noon we experience bright sunny day and at night we'll experience warm breezes. So this is the definition of weather. Then we have climate. Climate is defined as an average overall condition of the atmosphere, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity, precipitation, etc. over a large region for a long period of time. Therefore, climate is the average weather condition over a large area for a period of about 35 to 40 years. Weather is ever changing in nature while climate of a place remains more or less the same. So here they are talking about the climate, which means that climate is not changing very rapidly. It could be changed in 35 to 40 years, but the change is very slight. There will be a very slight change in the climatic conditions of the an area, and it covers a large area and it will cover the large area of a particular region. So in this video we have studied about weather and climate. This is the introduction video of class of chapter 5, weather and climate. So in our next video we are going to study about the